How to remove Google Smart Lock on Roblox. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove Google Smart Lock on Roblox. Firstly, open Settings and go to the option General. Tap on Software Update and check for any software updates that may be available for your device. After checking for updates, go back to your home page and open any of your web browser. In your web browser, make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Now tap on the profile picture at the top left corner. From the menu that appears on the very top, tap on your ID. In your account, scroll down and select Manage your Google account. From the top panel, go to Security. Inside Security, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Password Manager. Now you will land to a page like this. It will take some time to operate and open. In Password Manager, you will see all the password that you have saved. For example, I'm just gonna go on this one. To access your password, you will need to enter the password of your Gmail account. Once entered, click on Next and you will get access to the password. In the same way, you can also get password to the Smart Lock. After that, simply delete it. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one.